Hello everyone! Welcome back to another super exciting video from Teos Events. Ngayon, dadalhin ko kayo sa isang party na sobrang saya at sobrang kulay. Are you ready? Let's go! We celebrated a very special milestone. Ang first birthday ni Baby Quattro. Happy first birthday, Quattro! You are so cute! Ang theme ng party na ito ay super cool. 1990s fiesta vibe. Alam niyo ba, bago nagsimula ang party, naku, challenge talaga. Preparation was tough dahil sobrang init talaga ng araw. Tapat na tapat ang sikat ng sun sa venue. Parang nasa loob kami ng oven. But don't worry because our Teos event staff are like superheroes. Kahit pinagpapawisan na, magagaling at mabibilis pa rin silang kumilos. Because they are the best, natapos nila ang preparation ng mga aga. Grabe, believe talaga ako sa kanila power. And when it was finished, wow! As in capital W-O-W. The backdrop dito so amazing. Lahat ng tao ay napabilib. Alam niyo ba, ang secret, basic lang ang inavail ng aming client. Pero dahil friend siya ni Mami, ginawa naming premium ang buong setup. Surprise! Ganyan kami magmahal sa Teos Events. Look at those giant colorful masks. Parang nasa Mascara Festival tayo. At tignan niyo yung mga banderita sa taas. Red, yellow, blue, and purple. Parang laging may fiesta tuwing kasama ang Teos Events. Meron ding mga cute na salakot o native hats na nakasabit sa backdrop. It feels so Pinoy and so nostalgic, diba? May rocking chair May rocking chair pa sa gilid na gawa sa ratan. Ang ganda. At tignan niyo yung mga happy birthday Quattro balloons sa side. Everything was so styled to perfection. From the plants to the golden background. Even the tables have checkered cloths. The bagay na bagay sa fiesta team. We are so honored to have celebrated with such a wonderful family. Isang dambuhalang thank you kay Kagawa Joy Diaz ng Barangay Parada. At syempre kay SK Chairman Arturo Carrion ng Barangay Pasolo. We loved hearing your kind feedback. It makes our hearts so happy. Now let's talk about my favorite part, the food. Gutom na ba kayo? Kasi ang sarap naman yun namin. Meron kaming creamy carbonara pasta. Yummy! At ang favorite ng lahat, ang chicken pastel. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang pork barbecue na laging sikat sa handaan. Meron din kaming crispy at tender na fish fillet. At para sa dessert, ang paborito kong buko pandan. Meron ding refreshing iced tea at siyempre, mainit-init na rice. Aside sa food, we handle the full venue styling too. At hindi lang yan, we have the clown and the entertainment para sa bata. Non-stop ang tawa laro. We also provided the professional lights and sound system, concert, quality, party vibes. Ang peg namin, diba? We make sure every detail is perfect para enjoy ang buong pamilya. From the dreamiest decor to the non-stop laughs, we do it all. Ganyan kami sa Teos Events. We make magic happen. Do you want a party as grand and as colorful as Quattro's Fiesta? Whether it's a first birthday or a huge wedding, we are ready. Whether it's a first birthday or a huge wedding, we are ready. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Don't be shy. Message na. we can turn your simple idea into a premium reality. Your dream event is just one phone call away. Take down our number, okay? It's 0919-006-9519. Repeat after me. 0919-006-9519. You can also find us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Search for Teos Events and Party Needs and hit that follow button. Look for our hashtag Teos Events para makita ang iba pa naming works. We want to be part of your family's special memories too. Kahit gaano pa kainit ang araw, we will work hard for you. Because seeing your smiles is our greatest reward. Thank you again to Quattro's family for the wonderful opportunity. We had so much fun in this 1990s Fiesta Bash. Happy birthday again, Quattro! We love you to all our friends watching. See you at your next party. Always remember, life is a party. Celebrate it with Teos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye for now. Till our next event. See ya!